Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My name is Malaika and I am from the Department of BS Chemistry. So today I will be explaining the second course of SQL that I completed, which is Join Data in SQL. In this course, I studied about basically joins and what are joins. Then I studied about different types of joins, including right join, left join, full join. Then I studied about that how can I set theory clauses, and then I studied about subqueries. So first of all, we'll talk about inner join. Inner join is basically a join which if we apply on a given condition or a given syntax, it will return rows when there is a match in both tables. For example, I want to select city name, country's name, and region from the cities table, and I want to inner join it with countries table, then I will use the inner join syntax. Second, we have case, when, and then statements. So same as where clause, the case, when, and then statements specifically filter a result. For example, I want to select name column, continent, code, and surface area from the countries table, but I have to apply a case here or a specific condition here that if my surface area is greater than 200,000, then it will be considered large. If the surface area is greater than 350,000, then it would be considered medium, else it would be considered small. Talking about other types of joins, so we have left join. Left join, as it is clear from its name, it will select all the records from the left table and will only give those records from the right table which are similar to the left table. The syntax and all the abbreviations are same, just in the place of inner join, we have to write left join. Talking about the right join, it works opposite to left join. It will select all the records from the right table and only those records from the left table that are similar to the right table. Here also the syntax is same, just you have to replace inner join with right join. Then talking about full join. Full join extracts all the records from both the tables, somehow also adding duplicates in the result. So here the syntax is same, you just have to replace inner join by full join. Now talking about the theory clauses. First of all, talking about the union operator. Union operator will combine result of two tables without duplicates. For example, you have to select all the columns from the economy 2010 column, and you want to select all the columns from economy 2015 table. And you want all the results from both tables without duplicates, then you will write these two syntaxes attached by union operator. If you want to combine the results of the two tables with duplicates, then in the place of union operator, you will write union all operator. Talking about the intersect operator. So intersect operator will display results only that are present in the both tables according to the condition. For example, you want to select code and year from the economies table, and you want to select country's code and year from the population table, then you will join these two syntax by the intersect table. Talking about the except operator. This operator will display results that are present in only one table according to condition. For example, you want to select name from the cities table and you do not want to select capital from the countries table, then you will use the except syntax, except operator that will join these two syntax. Talking about semi-join and anti-join. Semijoin works very similar to the inner join or where-in clause. It will filter specific result. As you can see on the example provided on the right, that after selecting the column name from the table, I have used where-in clause. And after that, I have taken the subquery in the parenthesis. If I want to filter result that is not present in the table according to the given condition, then I will use anti-join. And in this case, where-in clause will be replaced by not in clause. Talking about a subquery. Subquery is a nested query inside a first query in the parenthesis. So how we will write a subquery inside a where clause? In this case, one query will act as a subquery that will be written in a parenthesis for, and behind it we will write the where clause. Talking about a subquery inside select clause. Simply the select segment will be written and then in the parenthesis another select segment will be written. This will be called subquery inside select clause. In case of from clause, you will write the first query, then you will nest the second subquery in that query in the parenthesis in the from statement. And this was my statement of accomplishment that arrived just in seconds after I completed my course. That's all from my side. Thank you.